Hi there, I'm Saul Reisman here at Autotek in Denver, Colorado, and today we're going to talk about some of the cool projects we get to work on. Now, we're a regular auto repair shop in the essence of we fix all your daily drivers. Whether you're Ford, your Honda, your Subaru, your Toyota, your Jeep, your Dodge, your Chrysler, we can take care of those, that's not an issue. But sometimes we get the privilege and the benefit of getting to work on some truly unique cars. We are fortunate enough to have some incredible technicians here on our staff, and that gives us the capacity to really take care of some unique birds. In this case, this gentleman brought us a 1965 Ford Mustang that he's had for quite a few years. It is in spectacular shape, but he wants to do some updates. Let's modernize this guy a little bit. Let's see what we can do to take care of it. And we are proud to be of service. So, if you've got something that needs a little bit of restoration love, even if you're taking care of the majority yourself and you just got those few parts you need a little help with, we'd be happy to take care of. Now this gentleman's going to take care of his modern brake upgrade, make sure that he can get it up to disc, but under hood, he had some concerns. He went ahead and ordered an updated distributor and a newer carburetor, but they just weren't quite making the power and the performance that he desired. Now we've got this guy apart for a moment. We're putting a different distributor in it, we're getting a more modern setup, and we're going to work to make sure that it can actually get tuned and adjusted appropriately. Now when you buy some aftermarket parts out of the kit, out of the box, whether it's from Summit, from Jegs, whoever it may be, these companies put out some great parts. However, they're a little universal sometimes, and in this case, that meant that the owner needed to get this guy tuned and adjusted appropriately for being here in Colorado at elevation. So as a result, we're going to get this guy tuned in tip-top shape on the dyno and out the door, and we'll be happy to show you more about it soon. If you've got questions about yours, or you've got a project of your own that you just need a little helping hand with, come and see us here at Autotek. We love old cars, we love old projects, and we would absolutely love to help you take care of yours. 303-290-9900, 7 days a week, 365.